Generalized DSC, FDC PLL-based synchronization of PV array, BESS-fed water pump system with utility grid. Abstract. In this project we aimed at focus on using a novel GDSC, FDC, PLL technique to synchronize a solar and battery-powered water pump system with the grid, enhancing system reliability and efficiency. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references.
PPT.
In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references.
Results.
The diagram illustrates a photovoltaic array and battery energy storage supported water pump system connected to a single-phase grid. The PV array generates power, which to maintain the DC link voltage. The BES provides backup power during grid outages. The load-side voltage source converter interfaces the system with the grid, controlling power flow. The generalized delayed signal cancellation frequency drift compensation phase lock loop ensures synchronization between the grid and the system, operating in either grid-connected or islanded mode, IM. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030333433.